The Gqeberha High Court is reviewing two applications regarding who will cover the legal costs for the Cradock Four Inquest. Originally set to begin today, the inquest has been postponed. The families are currently briefing the media. Let's listen in.
Start of the reopened inquest into the murders of my father, Fort Khalata, Lonwabo's father, Sparo Mkhonto, Mrs. Mhlauli's husband, Stelo, and Matthew Goniwa. Unfortunately, Matthew's son, Unyaniso, could not be with us today. He was a little bit sick, so he decided he couldn't make it today. And then the Goniwa family was represented. I'm sure you guys would remember, was represented by Mbulelo Goniwa. He's also, unfortunately, not here with us this afternoon. Excuse me. I hope it's okay. If I can quickly ask any of the mothers if they would like to say something, just based on today's court session. And then I'll ask Lonwabo if he wants to say something. I've got my two sisters at the back, Dorothy and Tumani. Maybe they would like to say something. And then obviously we've got our legal representatives here today. Gina Snyman from the Foundation for Human Rights, and Paige Winfield is here from Cradock Hofmeyer. We've got our advocate Howard Varney as well, but I'm not sure if advocates are allowed to speak to the media, so in this case he will only speak to me, but in my capacity as my father's son and not as a journalist. Sorry. All right, Ma, would you like to say something?
Yeah, I would like to say something. As everybody knows, it's been a long time. It's 39 years now. This year it's going for 40. That we were waiting for justice into the killings of our husbands. There was a lot of delays. There was a lot of frustration. And now that we thought that today will be the day when we started to hear the truth of what happens to our husbands. But unfortunately, with great disappointment for the postponement of the inquest. And what is frustrating more is that it's been postponed for a very long time. I mean, we have already waited for so long. I don't know why the additional 9 months is going to take us, because we are getting older. We are not getting any younger. The perpetrators are dying every time. And they are also old. And it will be a shame if we can also die without really knowing what happened. Because every day you hope that something will happen. And you hope that you will hear something. And we are disappointed because it took so long before we could come here where we are now. Why? I was asking myself last week, Thursday, that the second inquest, there was sort of an outcome that the judge said that both the state securities are responsible for these deaths, but nobody acted on that. The TRC was there, nobody took any action to prosecute these cases. Now I'm wondering what is going on. If there was a deal in these cases, why are they hiding the truth from us? Why are they keeping us in suspense? Because if there was a deal, it will make it easy for them who made the deal to come and approach us and tell us that this is what happened. So therefore, that is why there's always something that interferes with the proceedings of these cases. I am disappointed that the postponement is gonna take so long. My wish this morning was, if this case can be postponed, maybe by November this year we can start, or January next year. But I never thought of June. June was never in my mind, because June is the month when my husband was killed. And June is the month where they will be gone for 40 years. It's a sad month, actually, for us as families. Every month, June is the most sad month. So why did they postpone it to June? I don't know. Thank you.